Okay, monkey, the bananas go here, carrots go there. Let's keep everything tidy.
Hey, check out these fresh carrots. They're perfect for our picnic.
Got it. Wait, are the bananas allowed to disappear if I'm hungry?
Monkey, don't eat the stalk. Customers will notice.
They'll notice my happy face instead.
And the carrots? Why are they under the counter?
Safety. Carrots need a secret hideout.
Monkey, you're impossible.
Oops, salad explosion.
At least we know tomatoes can bounce.
See, I'm helping the market experiment. Science.
Okay, monkey, teamwork matters. You organize, I supervise, and we both learn responsibility.
Deal. But let's leave one banana for emergencies.
Fine, as long as you don't eat the rest.